I'm Linda Stanfield, owner of Benjamin Franklin Plumbing in Chandler, Arizona. I'm here to share with you how to find leaks underneath the floor, also commonly known as slab leaks. Most of the time these slab leaks are really on the hot water line of your home. One way to start is to turn everything off in your home that uses any water. Look at the meter, see if it indicates any water usage. That will share with you that you have a leak someplace. From there, know if you've been running out of any hot water, and then look at all the floors. It's important to see if you have any warping, wetness, or hot spots to the touch. Here, we used all these techniques to find this slab leak underneath this floor. It can get complicated to fix, so I'd recommend that you use a local professional to make sure it's done correctly. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Linda Stanfield with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing.